Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the filter style on the main page of NotebookLM. And regardless of how you have your notebooks displayed, either as tiles or a list, you can also control how it's going to display them. The filter style, if I click on this right here where it says most recent, I can determine, do I want to view the notebooks in terms of which one was updated or accessed the most recently, or do I just want to view them alphabetized by title? If I click on title, it'll just alphabetize all of the notebooks by title. If I want to go by when the last one was accessed or updated most recently, I can do that as well. So it depends on how you think you'll be able to access what you want most quickly, be able to find it the most easily. But you can change the way that these things are filtered when they display on your main page. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.